Good morning, student. Dear student, in the previous class we had solved the problem set 6b. Now in this class we will discuss about of the review test 2 and we also solve the review test 2. In the review test 2, your first question is given as which of the following picture is represented in the number 4586. Here is the given a picture in this book. You know that this picture show the 100. Here is the 100 square box. Here is also 100. Here is also 100. Here is 100. And one this box that is show the 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And this is the 2, 2, 2. Here one box, this cubic box is equal to so that the 1000 of the square box. 1000, 1000, 1000. And this is also. So which picture represents the 4586 to show that the 4586. Then we need the 4000 box, that will be this. One, two, you can make here one more. Three, and one more. This is a 4000. It is a 4000 and 500. You need the 500 box. This types 1, 2. There is 3. 4, 5. 4 and 5. There is 500 box and 8, 10 box. And 6 more, 2, 2, 2. So picture C, you can observe that this picture C, there 1, 2, 3, 4000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8, 10. That means 80 and there is 6. So picture C show that the 4086, okay, it represents the 4586. Clear? Okay. Now we come on the question number 2. You can see that Write the number name of the number being represented by three picture in the question 1 above. The picture 1 is here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 hundreds. How many hundreds? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Plus 5 tens. And how many ones? 6 ones. So, which number represented by this picture? That is A. 400 plus 50 plus 6. When you combine it, you will get that 456. Now B. In the B, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4 thousands. How many thousands? 4 thousands. Again, 100. There is no 100 box. Only 10 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 8 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 7 ones. That is 4,000 plus 80 plus 7. When you combine it, you will get that 4,087. This is the second number. Now for the C. In the C, you can observe there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4,000. How many thousand? 4 and hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 500 plus 500 plus how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 tens. Plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ones. When we combine, that is 4,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 6. When we combine it, that is 4586. This number shown by that figure, 4586. Okay, you note it. Okay. Now we come on the question number 3. In the question number 3, you read the question number 3. First you read the question number 3. In the question number 3, there are given that write the number 3 crore 25 lakh 75,915 in figure then write face value and place value of each of its digits. Right? The given number is 3 crore. Then 25 lakh. $75,000. $25,000. 950. 950. To write this number, we will make the place value chart. When we make the place value chart, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, again lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. You know, we will write or read this together, and this is lakh, this is thousand, and this is one. Now, what is the given in the question? How much is in the crore? How much is in the crore? There are 3 crore. There are 3 crore. So we will not write in the tens, that is 3 crore. 25 lakh. 25. That is 25 lakh. 25,000. In the thousand there will be 25. And 900. In the 100, 9. And 15. 15. That is 1, 5. So the given number in figure, that is 325759115. Okay. Now next part of the question, their face value and place value of each of its digits. Okay. So we write face value of here the first digit is 3, face value of 3, that is 3, and place value of 3. At which place is the 3? 3 is at the crore place. Which place? 3. So 3 crore. What is the 3 crore? 3 crore. That is 3 into 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 0. Okay? That will be 3 0 0 0 0. You can write directly. You will write this number and all of this number as a 0. Okay? Now, face value of 2. That is 2. The face value of any number, that is the number itself. And face value of 2. Now, make a one number. you will write that is 2 and rest of the number as a 0, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 to 10 lakh. Again, face value of 5. 5, that is number itself, and place value of 5 at place of lakh, that is 5 lakh. 5 and rest of the number as a 0. Again, place value of 5 at 1000 place, that is 5000. Place value of 5 at ones place, that is 5. Okay. Now 2 more digits are given back. It is 9. We come on the 7. Face value of 7, that is 7. Again, place value of 7, that is, where is the 7? 7, 10,000, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, place value of 9. 9, that is first type case, that is 9. Again, place value of 9. Where is the 9? 9 at the 100 place. So what is the place value of 9? That is 900. 900. Again, 1. Face value of 1. 1. That is 1. Place value of 1. Where is the 1? At the 10th place, that is 10. Okay? This is your answer. Complete answer of the question number 3. Note it. Okay. Now we come on next question. The next question is The next question is given as question number 4. Write the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using the digit 0, 0, 4 and 2 and find their sum and difference. The given digits 0, 0, 4 and 2. Here in the question given that write the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. There are 4-digit number. To write a greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number, now smallest 4-digit number using 0, 0, 2 and 4. Then for ones, tens, hundred, there is 4 digits, that is thousands. To write the smallest number, we will write the smallest number at the first place and largest place. Which is the largest place? Here the 1000 is the largest place. So we write here at the smallest digit in the given digit. Here 0 is the smallest digit, but we will not write the 0 because if we write the 0, then the given number is not the 4-digit number. So we write the next smallest. First we write the smallest number except the 0. Here the smallest number except the 0, that is 2. Again, then we write rest of the number as the smallest number 0, next is 0 and 4. So smallest 4-digit number that is 2004 and greatest 4-digit number to write the greatest, here only 1000 place, ones, tens, 100, 1000. We will write the largest number on the given, largest digits, that is 4, again the largest 2, again 0, 0. So that number is 4200. Again in the question given that find their sum and difference. Their sums, that is 4200 plus 2004, that is 4026, and difference, that is 4200 minus 2004. When we subtract it, here the 0, it will take the carry, that will be 10, 10 minus 4, that is 6, here is the, it will be 9, 9, and it will be 1, and it is 2. So difference is 2196 and sum is 6204. Okay, you note it. Okay student, in the today's class we have solved some questions from the review test 2. We have solved at the question number 4. Rest of the question we will solve in your next class. Okay, thank you, good day.